The next part is fertilization. So what is fertilization? It can be defined as the fusion of gametic pronuclei. What is pronuclei then? The haploid number of n number of chromosome containing genomic nucleus is called fertilization. Now, the best possible zone for fertilization is ampular isthmus junction of fallopian tube. If you ask me, then I will say this is the female reproductive tract and this is the fallopian tube, and preferably this is the zone which is called the ampular isthmus junction. So whenever during coitus the male gametes move through the cervix, reaching the upper part of the fallopian tube, and these are the paired ovaries where from ova are being delivered to reach here. And this is a close approximation that sperm should meet ova after the removal of the decapacitation factors, and the competent sperm is ready to react with the ovum, making fertilization successful. Therefore, fertilization is a successful phenomenon only when the capacitation is complete. Now the process is, there are 3 stages of development. After fertilization, within the chorionic area, that means uterine endometrium zone, this is called endometrium, and rather the morula, followed by blastula, followed by the development of gastrula takes place. This blastula is the vitalmost component here. Blastula in the form of blastocyst is attached here, and this attachment of the blastocyst with the help of chorionic villi within the uterine endometrium is called implantation. So implantation, whenever successful, it means that the birth is ensured. Whenever the birth is ensured, it is implied that the baby is ready to take birth whenever the intrauterine gestation period is complete. So intrauterine gestation period for human is around 280 days. Whenever it is completed, the baby is ready for parturition. So what are the steps of parturition, if you ask me? The steps of parturition includes very vital steps, obviously. The first one is development of labor, followed by fetal ejection reflex, and the third obviously includes expulsion stage. So whenever the baby comes out, the baby is almost completely grown up and ready for further continuation of development outside the maternal body. But it has to be supported by mother's milk, and that event is called lactation. So whenever lactation or breastfeeding starts, the baby needs a support from a mother, which is in the form of colostrum. Of course, you can call it as a yellow milk of the mother. So yellow milk preferably contains IgA, the predominant, of course you say, predominant maternal antibody. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.